Oh yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you know now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys. Yo! Rastafari. Just want to bless the most I, the Rastafari, not the alphabetical I. For the one that made me there right here about this good weed. You don't know much the I here. Today, I just want to give thanks to the Almighty. Because you don't know me have to go put in the ear aisle. Burn the pork aisle, burn every aisle. But you don't know the rest of the aisle, the eye ear. You see it? So as the eye, I go eye the eye ear. You don't know, just protect the eye dreadlocks. You don't know the eye dreadlocks no really tolerate with certain aisle, you know. And just one aisle to the eye ear.
Jesus is Lord.
Yo, Rastafari.
Wagwan Ras.
Wagwan Booby Nile.
How Rasta do?
You know, say the eye just a rub in some look like eye tall oil in that eye ear.
You sure say I tell oil?
What you mean by me sure? Me sure say.
Jesus is Lord.
The eye.
Poke your dust man.
Jesus. Oh, no.
Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot when the whole we a chopping. A tilt up mark X ring 12 fat. Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot.